Hi, Mika here from Superchat, and in this video I will show you some small improvements that we did to our WhatsApp channel. So starting here with WhatsApp templates, here you can see a new button, format text. And here you can see exactly how you can format your WhatsApp templates, but also in general your WhatsApp messages. So pretty much here you can see italic, bold, strike through, monospace, and so on and so forth, and how you basically have to format this so that it actually ends up looking like italic text, bold text, etc. On the end device of your customer. So for example, if I want to write welcome to Superchat, all I need to do here for bold, I just copied it, is to pretty much put Superchat into these asterisks. And then here it doesn't look bold because we don't support this in our front end, but Superchat will now be bold on WhatsApp on the end device for your customer. So like here, always, keep an eye out on, how you can actually format text in the way you want to format it. And then don't be surprised that it looks, not bold here. It will end up looking bold, strike through, italic, whatnot, on the end device of your customer. That's the first thing. And again, this doesn't only apply to WhatsApp templates, this also applies to the normal chat. So if we jump to the inbox, if I now go ahead and send this message, as you can see, welcome to Superchat. This doesn't look bold, but it actually will end up looking bold on my device. I just opened it. Maybe I can show it to the camera really quick. Not sure if you can see it, but this is pretty much how it works. Exactly. One thing, so the other thing that we just shipped is one little feature. If we go into settings, and if I now look for the WhatsApp number that we are working with here, the support one, you have a new setting here at the very bottom where you can dedicate whether emoji reactions on messages in WhatsApp change the status of the conversation. What I mean with this, I can actually show it to you. See, this is enabled now. So if we now go back to the inbox here, and if I mark this, for example, as done, now if the customer would, send an emoji reaction to any of your messages, this will result in the message jumping back to open. So here I just did it, and now you will see, pop. Here you can see I added now a whole bunch of reactions to the messages. Now, therefore, this conversation was marked as open again. So like emoji reactions are then kind of counted as messages. And of course, inbound messages also mark the conversation as open again. So this is up to you to decide whether you want this or not. But this you can now very easily configure in your inbox settings on each individual WhatsApp number that you added to Superchat. Exactly. Last but not least, currently not really visible, we now support a new chat timeline event. Every time your customer changes his phone number, you now are notified. You can see here in the chat timeline that the customer actually changed his or her mobile phone number, so that you are actually aware of that. That's it. Greetings from Berlin. Bye bye.